Hi friends, in this session we'll be learning properties of addition and subtraction of integers. If you haven't watched the NCERT explanation of exercise 1.1, please click the link in the description. Let's begin. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. There are three important properties: closure property, commutative property, and associative property. Let's see each property in detail. Closure property. Let's first look at the case of addition. A plus B is equal to C, where C is an integer. Therefore, integers are closed under addition. Let's see some examples. Let us assume the value of A to be 1 and the value of B to be 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is an integer. Therefore, integers are closed under addition. Now let us try it with a negative integer. 1 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 1. We know that minus 1 is an integer. Therefore, we conclude integers are closed under addition. Now let's look at the case of subtraction. A minus B is equal to C, where C is an integer. Therefore, integers are closed under subtraction. Now let's see some examples. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, where minus 1 is an integer. Therefore, we can conclude integers are closed under subtraction. Now let us try a negative integer. 1 minus minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. 3 is an integer. Therefore, we can conclude integers are closed under both addition and subtraction. Let's proceed. Commutative property. Commutative property is true only for addition. It's false for subtraction. Let's prove it. Let's see the case of addition first. According to commutative property, an integer a when added to an integer b must be equal to b plus a. Let us assume the value of a to be 1 and b to be 2. A plus b is on the LHS and b plus a is on the RHS. 1 plus 2 is on the LHS and 2 plus 1 is on the RHS. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is also 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, addition is commutative for integers. Now, in the case of subtraction, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Let us assume the same values for a and b. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 is the LHS and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 is the RHS. Minus 1 is not equal to 1. Therefore, subtraction is not commutative for integers. Let's proceed to associative property. Associative property is also only true for addition. According to associative property, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Let us assume the value of a, b and c to be 1, 2 and 3 respectively. So we can apply the values in both LHS and RHS. When we apply the value of A, B and C in the LHS, we get 6 and on the RHS also we get 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, addition is associative for integers. But in the case of subtraction, it is not associative. A minus minus B is equal to A minus B minus C. It is a false statement. 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 2. 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 1 minus 2 minus 3 is not equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3. Therefore, addition is not associative for integers. So, we summarize that only closure property is applicable for subtraction, while closure, associative, and commutative is applicable only in the case of addition. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for getting notified of our latest uploads. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram for regular feed about the videos. Leave your doubts and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.